Hi everybody, Jim with Ahh-Some here. Thank you for taking a few minutes out of your day to stop by and watch this quick video about what Ahh-Some really is. I promise you that we'll make this video short and sweet. Today's purpose is only to show you all of the different products that we have in our product lineup and how each one of these products might be able to help you. I'm not going to go into a lot of the specifics today. We're going to do some subsequent videos, some additional videos that are going to discuss the ins and outs, the how-tos, the whys, the what-ifs, and answer some of the more common questions about each one of the products. But today I just wanted to give a brief overview of the different products that we have, simply because a lot of people don't know that we have a product that can help you in a lot of different ways. Whether you own a hot tub, a jetted bathtub, a swimming pool, a dishwasher, washing machine, we've got a product that will absolutely be able to help you. So again, today's video is just going to be kind of a show you what we have. And if you hit the subscribe button down below or up above, wherever the subscribe button happens to be, if you click on that, you'll get notified when we publish a new video. And we're going to try to do a few of these here over the next few days. And I want to talk about each one of the products specifically. So maybe you're only interested in the hot tub product. Maybe you're only interested in learning about jetted bathtubs or swimming pools or how to clean your filter cartridges. Whatever the case may be, I'm going to do a video that hopefully will be able to answer a lot of your questions. If it doesn't, that's the great thing about us. If you call us, we will answer the phone. If we don't answer the phone, just leave us a voicemail. We'll call you right back. Send us an email. We've got a lot of information on our website and how to get a hold of us. Nonetheless, I promised you that I was going to make this video short, so I don't want to talk too much. But I did want to thank each and every one of our customers for not only buying Ahh-Some, but also continuing to give us great feedback on how Ahh-Some works for you, how it works in your hot tub, telling your friends, your neighbors. This is how a small family run business continues to not only strive to get better, but also provide better services for all of you. So without any further ado, I'm going to go ahead and show you all the different products we've got. Again, in subsequent videos, we're going to go in depth and into far more detail about each one of the products and how those products will be able to help you in your home. So here we go. Let's start showing you some of the products that we've got to offer. So as promised, here is the product lineup that Ahh-Some has. Again, we're going to talk about each one of these products in far more detail as we move forward, but today I just wanted to show you the different products that we did have. So we're going to start off with our Ahh-Some hot tub and jetted bath cleaner, 2-ounce size, 6-ounce size, and 16-ounce size. And then moving down the line, we've got our summer pool product. This is our water clarifier and BIOCLEANER. So if you own a swimming pool, this is a product you need in your swimming pool. Moving down the line, we've got our winter swimming pool water clarifier and BIOCLEANER. This is a product that you're going to put into your hot tub or into your swimming pool before you put your cover on. Next in our product lineup is our Ahh-Some filter cleaner. Fantastic product. I cannot wait to discuss with everyone how to use this and why it is extremely beneficial to you. Down the line here is our Ahh-Some dishwasher and washing machine cleaner. Again, so many things to talk about with this one and so many questions I want to have answered that I get from customers on a daily basis. Can't wait to talk about this one in a subsequent video. The next product I want to talk to you about is our Ahh-Some jetted tub plumbing and jet cleaner. This was primarily and is primarily designed for use in jetted bathtubs in your bathroom. And we're going to talk about this one again in greater detail in a subsequent video. And then finally, our newest product, which is AQUA Clarity. This is going to blow your minds when you see and hear about all of the different things that AQUA Clarity will be able to do for you in your hot tub. So that's our product lineup right here. Lots of great products, lots of great uses. And I cannot wait to discuss with a little bit more depth and detail about how to utilize each and every one of these products. All right, thanks everybody for taking a few minutes and watching this. Again, nothing special, super special in this one, just kind of showing you all the different products that we have to offer. As we move forward, again, hit that subscribe button, get notified when we produce a new video, which they're going to be coming pretty regularly here over the next few days. I'm gonna put some time and effort and make some videos to be able to answer a lot of your questions for you on each one of the products. Hit that subscribe button, and then you'll be notified when a new video comes out, and then you can just wait until the one that you want to watch is available. And feel free to interact with us. We love the interaction. I love talking to customers on a daily basis. So keep the questions coming all the time. Again, our website is a fantastic resource for you to go to get a lot of those questions answered. We've got a chat function there, our phone number's there, email address, whatever is easiest for you. This is a great way to contact us so we can help you out. Again, my name is Jim. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe. Like I said, subscribe. And then you'll find out when the next videos are coming out. Have a great day, everybody. And I look forward to talking with you all soon. Bye.